right, let's go. Get your butts down. Come on, now go. Left. Come on, right. Forward. Backwards. All right, girls, go ahead and take a 5-minute water break. And when we get back, we'll be right back and do our offense. So think about your plays. Well, hey there, how are you? My name is Lori Sullivan. I'm an associate professor in Kinesiology and Sports Studies. You're probably thinking, how in the world did I get here as a coach? Well, I was sitting just like you are when I was in college thinking, I don't know what I want to do. I love sports, played it all my life, played basketball, I swam. I didn't even think about how I could incorporate that into my career until a grad assistant came up to me and said, hey, Lori Sullivan, you would be a great athletic director. Light bulb popped off. Couldn't even think about it. I didn't have parents to help me because I was the first generation in college, so they were lost to help. Well, guess what? I was able to pursue my love of sports, athletics, and do what I do now is teach it to our generation who loves sports. What a better way to transfer your love and passion for athletics into your career. Here at Bucks, we've got folks that are passionate about their teaching, such as myself, along with my dean, my faculty, whether it's people want to be health and physical education teachers, or what about sitting in the front office of the Phillies, or the Eagles, or even the 76ers. We now have dance. No, you're not going to see me do my ballet because I've been described as a cow in ballet shoes. But you have that option here at Bucks now, along with exercise physiology that you can take to be an occupational therapist or physical therapist. Or what about athletic training? Hey, guess what? If you love sports but you love communications, why not be a student information director at the college level where you can write about the sports? You can incorporate both. Guess what? Bucks is where to start. We are here for you, along with the staff, faculty, everybody is here for you. Yes, we're going through a weird time right now, but we are doing everything we can to make it successful, make you successful. Whether we are online or whether we're doing it on campus, we are making those, situations feasible for us to be safe. Anyway, I gotta get back to practice. Listen, I hope to see you guys here. If you have any questions, hey, Lori Sullivan at bucks.edu. I gotta get going. Let's go.